20.
20. Watch under the trees, Johnny.
15.
Stay. Let's see.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long 4 right, tightens, short, medium right, in, late, and square left, in, late, and medium right, in, into long, medium right, in, and medium left, in, late, and long 4 right, open, very long, fast right, 60, easy left over crest, okay. 80, fast right, 60, long 4 left, and caution, medium right, tighten, short K right, watch, medium right, tighten, short K right, watch, 40, fast left and fast right, 60, long 4 left, continues over crest, okay, 130, short 4 right over loose, 170 down.
I can't see fuck all.
Unseen, open hairpin left, up. 150. Medium right in, late, and caution, easy left over crest, down, K left in, long medium right in, tightens, late K right. Repeat, long medium right in, tightens, late K right, 60, fast right in over crest, okay, and long easy right over crest, okay, inish, 40, medium right in past junction.
Can't see.
Medium right in past junction, 130 up, open hairpin left drive at hut, 40. Very long fast right, into crest, and short medium right, easy left over crest, and medium right in past junction, opens 4 right, and easy left over crest, okay, 40, crest fast left, into long fast right, down nips, caution, only 40, late hairpin left, drive, narrow, 80, fast left, 44 right, in over crest, 60, 4 right, well in, fast left, only 40, late hairpin right, tight, 60 down mid, caution, long fast left, continues in early, into hairpin left, and late K right, opens long fast right in, 80,
That's that corner.
yeah, that's long front, yeah, 80, and then easy left, 100 down, K right over rough, into very short K right, to 4 left in, and fast right, and easy left over crest, okay, 40 crest into medium left, in, 150 down. Long, it's 150 down, long 4 right, into left on crest, into medium right past junction, 40, fast left, and easy left over crest, 60, and this is a tighten junction, fast left and turn tight, hairpin left round bail and medium right, and 4 left in over crest, 20, turn square right at side, and crest okay, 150, care crest 4 right, and then 60 down, medium right in, 60 down again, easy left over crest, into long fast fast left, short, tight, short, medium left over crest, watch, into fast right, down, 60, 4 right in, slippy, into crest, fast left in, 100 down, left on crest, 60, very short, medium right, into crest, fast left, and easy right over crest, 80, easy right past bench, crest, and 60 care, late, short, medium right, 100 down. Short, medium left in, early, slippy, 130. Easy left over crest, 100. Very short, medium left in, easy right, into crest and long fast right nips, into left on crest okay, and 4 right, and crest okay, fast left slippy, and fast left past barn, 100 up, slippy turn hairpin left, slippy, this is hairpin left, and easy left, 80, square left, square right past junction, into square right. Repeat, square right past junction, into square right. And 4 left, into fast right. 130, hairpin left, drive up, 170. Right, and very short, medium left in, late past junction, slippy, repeat, 4 right, very short, medium left in past junction, easy right, slippy, 100 over crest, fast right in, 40 fast left, and care, 4 left, 4 right, narrow, 40, easy left over crest okay, 60 medium right, 60 short medium right inish past junction, and easy left slippy, 40 easy left logging, 60 late 4 right in, 40 long easy left, 80 logs, small crest, 60 4 right in. This is coming up 4 right in, 40 easy right, 100 4 left to stop, and slow. About the same time.
It's hard not to. I was trying to protect the tyres on it.
But also wanted to have some fun, yeah?
Yeah.